His rickshaw never made noise, but passengers swore it whispered truths no one else knew. Was it magic or just a man who understood silence? In the old city of Banaras, where lanes are tight and life is fast, there lived a rickshaw puller named Kalim. His rickshaw was different, no flashy paint, no Bollywood posters, just clean, quiet, and always moving. But what made it special was what people said after the ride. I felt like the rickshaw spoke to me. It told me something I didn't even know I needed to hear. Kalim never said much. He just nodded, rode smoothly, and dropped passengers silently. But strange things kept happening. One day, a woman crying quietly in the back heard a voice. Your heart is heavier than your back today, but both will feel lighter tomorrow. She turned around. Kalim had not spoken. Another time, a young man unsure about quitting his job heard, courage doesn't mean knowing, it means moving. Passengers began calling it the whispering rickshaw. Rumors spread. Some called it magic, some said Kalim was a saint in disguise. Others said it was just in people's mind. One evening, a curious journalist took a ride. He asked, Bhaiya, what's your secret? Kalim smiled faintly. I say nothing, but people hear something. Maybe they just needed silence to listen to themselves. The journalist was confused. But how does the rickshaw whisper? Kalim looked ahead and said, everyone's carrying something, pain, questions. My rickshaw just gives them space. In a noisy world, silence feels like a voice. That night, the journalist wrote the article, The Rickshaw That Listens. It didn't go viral, no big fame, but people kept coming. Not to talk, but to feel heard without saying a word. Kalim never changed. He still rides the same rickshaw, still quiet, still listening. Because some rides are not about reaching somewhere. They are about understanding yourself along the way. If this story made you pause and reflect, comment below. Sometimes silence speaks the most. Please like, share and subscribe to Why It Works with support to create more videos for you.